Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today, we will talk about something we all need: clear eyesight. It's a well-known fact that for healthy eyes, proper nutrition is key. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 10 foods that are scientifically proven to help keep your eyes healthy and clean. So, let's get started. Carrots. We cannot discuss eye health without mentioning carrots. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which is converted to vitamin A in the liver. Vitamin A is known to be essential for good vision. This is because it protects the surface of the eye and helps maintain healthy vision in low light conditions. Blueberries. Blueberries are high in antioxidants, particularly anthocyanins, and have been shown to help improve night vision. They help to reduce inflammation and protect against free radicals, which are known to damage cells in the eyes. Spinach. Spinach is a great source of lutein and zeaxanthin, which are two essential components for maintaining eye health. These nutrients are known to help reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, which is one of the leading causes of blindness in older individuals. Almonds. Almonds are rich in vitamin E, which helps protect the eyes from free radical damage and age-related eye conditions. Moreover, consuming almonds can reduce the risk of cataracts. Kale. Kale is another leafy green vegetable rich in lutein and zeaxanthin, which are essential components that help to protect against cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Kale is also a great source of vitamin C, which is known to improve vision health. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a great source of beta-carotene, which, as we mentioned, is converted into vitamin A in the liver. Vitamin A is known to help improve the surface of the eye and maintain healthy vision, particularly in low light settings. Salmon. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which are known to help prevent dry eyes and protect against macular degeneration. Consuming salmon or other fatty fish can also reduce the risk of cataracts. Eggs. Eggs are a great source of both lutein and zeaxanthin, which, as we've mentioned, help to keep your eyes healthy and protect against vision loss. Additionally, eggs are a great source of vitamin D, which has been linked to a reduced risk of macular degeneration. Broccoli. Broccoli is high in vitamin C, carotenoids, and other antioxidants that help protect the eyes from free radical damage. It is also known to help prevent cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. Citrus fruits. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are great sources of vitamin C. As we've mentioned, this vitamin helps to keep the eyes healthy and protects against macular degeneration. To wrap things up, keeping your eyes healthy is essential for maintaining overall health and well-being. The foods we discussed today are all packed with nutrients that are scientifically proven to promote good vision. So, if you want to treat your eyes right, make sure to incorporate these foods into your daily diet and give them the proper nutrients they need. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.